What's going on, guys? Today we are at Alex's house and putting a exhaust on his Camaro. Finally, I've been begging him. All he has done to this thing is wheels and tires, which looks good, but stock exhaust system. So we're gonna go ahead and cut all that out. Installing a SLP Loudmouth exhaust. Sorry, I said that funny. Not much to it, super easy. I just looked up some instructions real quick, and first thing on the instructions was get a twisted T, so that is ready to rock. I just got to measure 1 inch and 3/4 off the weld here and make a line, cut it, then slide it on. Same thing on the other side. Thank you, ma'am. We're not going to give you guys a little before because it's already up in there. I don't feel like doing it right now. It was quiet, so nothing crazy. But I'm excited to finally hear this thing make some noise because I've driven it a couple times and that was the one thing it was missing, was a little bit of oomph. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Taking a little break from the Mustang, which is fun. But man, I gotta get back to it. All right, guys. One side is then very professionally done. Tip looks good. Now that we know what we're doing, we're gonna do the other side. Okay, exhaust done.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.